Our goal in solving this equation is to find the value of x, which makes two sides of the equation equal. First, let's combine like terms on the left side of the equation. In other words, we are going to combine the terms with x, and also combine the terms without x. 9x minus 8x is 1x, or simply x. Then, minus 5 minus 6 is minus 11. And 7 on the right side of the equation stays the same for now. So, we now have a new equation. X minus 11 equals 7. Now, we are going to rewrite the equation so that the left side of the equation has only x. To do this, we must eliminate minus 11 on the left side of the equation. So, let's add 11 to both sides of the equation. Here, it is important to treat both sides of the equation equally. So, when we add a number to one side of the equation, we must add the same number to the other side of the equation. After adding 11, the left side of the equation is simplified to x. Then, let's simplify the right side of the equation. 7 plus 11 is 18. Now, this tells us that x is equal to 18. So, the answer is x equals 18.